Alright, so here's a little video to show you our lodging here at Bosque del Cabo. That is a coati. There's lots of them. And these trees near our hut are monkeys, a couple different varieties of monkeys. The coatis climb them, and those noises you're hearing are the toucans. Coati. And there's our hut. Just give you some perspective. Restaurant's off there. And I'm going to take you inside. Come inside. First, we'll just take a quick ride to the bathroom. Open that up. Modern outdoor shower. Okay, very cool. Even here, wildlife setting. Kaya and I were back here. She was showering, and a forest crab, beautiful colored crab, popped out of that hole. Every turn, there's something happening here, seriously. Okay. Back in. Everything's open air, but screened in well. These are the beds, 2 beds. All right, got netting around. No issues. We've been sleeping like the dead at night. No issues with bugs crawling on us. There's bugs everywhere, but they just don't crawl on you. It's like palapa style. Very awesome. And then leads out onto our private deck. Right, so these just close. Ants are the #1 thing that are kind of around. You got to be careful. Some of them bite. So we got a couple of lounges. We got a nice hammock. Unbelievable foliage here. Palms and the view of the ocean. And every place here at Bosque was built to have a view of the ocean, which is just amazing. There you go. Such a good place to hang out late afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6. I like to be here on the deck, just sitting here reading a book, and there's craziness happening all around us. Keep the binoculars close by and just watch it all unfold. Monkeys are going crazy. Birds are flying around. Coatis, ubutis, all these different animals that I've honestly never heard of. And that's the cabin or hut. I don't know what to call this thing, but it is fantastic.